Today we will walk through the process of creating an engaging presentation using PowerPoint on your computer. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application from your computer, allowing a few moments for the program to load. Once open, you will be greeted with a variety of template options to choose from. Although many templates are available to fit different presentation styles, for this example, we will use the blank presentation template. Choosing the blank version can help you start from a clean slate and give you complete freedom to design each slide exactly how you wish. After you have selected the blank presentation, you will want to add content by creating new slides. To do this, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the window. This section is designed to provide you with various content options that you can include in your presentation. Within the Insert tab, locate the option labeled New Slide. Clicking on this option will allow you to add a new slide to your project. Depending on your presentation needs, you can choose from a range of slide types, ensuring that the new slide you add matches the style or purpose of your content. Now that you have your new slide in place, it is time to add text to your presentation. Continuing in the Insert tab, move to the section dedicated to text. Here you will find a text box option. Click on the text box control, then use your mouse to draw a rectangular area on your slide where you want your text to appear. Once you have drawn the text box, you can begin typing your content. This method provides you with flexibility regarding the placement and style of your text, which can be modified later to suit your design preferences. After adding text, you might want to enhance the visual appeal of your slide by including an image. To insert an image, go back to the Insert tab and locate the Pictures option within the section dedicated to images. When you click on Pictures, you are prompted to select the source of your image. For this example, choose the option that allows you to select files directly from your computer. Once you have made this selection, browse your computer for the desired image and upload it into your slide. After the image appears on your slide, you can easily resize it by clicking on its edges and dragging to adjust its dimensions. Additionally, you may add various effects to your image by using the picture format options, which can help enhance the overall look of your presentation. Finally, to create a more dynamic and interactive experience, it is a good idea to add an animation or transition effect to your slide. To do so, navigate to the Transitions tab at the top of your screen. With the Transitions tab active, click on the slide to which you would like to add a transition effect. A range of transition options will then be displayed, allowing you to choose the one that best suits the flow and mood of your presentation. Once you select your desired transition effect, it is applied to the slide, completing the animation process. With these steps completed, you now have a simple yet engaging presentation ready for further customization or immediate use. Enjoy the creative process of making your presentation, and remember that each tool in PowerPoint is designed to help you communicate your message clearly and effectively.